Alright guys, here we are. We're going to take out the Maverick Quantum R Flux from HPI. First test run, we're going to do it on 3S. Got a just a 5,000 milliamp in there from SpeedTek RC. And we are just going to go rip it out and do a little street run or a parking lot run. Make sure everything's all lined up. She's moving straight. Yeah, she's a slider. Put some we'll run her out here in the dirt, huh? What do you think? It's not too muddy. It's been raining the last few days. Not today, but yesterday it was raining. It's supposed to rain a little bit more. Ooh. This is just 3S. It can go to 4S, so just oh, that was a nice flip. It's a little muddy out here still. Make good traction, I think, though. Gets us some moves pretty good. Pretty good for a 3S. Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's gonna rip on. And that's full triggering around the turns and stuff, and it's hanging in there. So, oh. Yeah. This car's a blast. Oh. Oh yeah. Get out here and before you can see all the weeds are starting to pop up out of the ground a little bit. I'm not going to have this play area for too much longer. The rain is bringing all the weeds. Unless I stay out here and just keep doing this all the time. Because then once the weeds grow, they're going to till it. Ah! I don't think I can get out of that one. Yep, then they're going to till it and it'll be all done. Unless they flatten it out again, which usually they don't, so we'll have to see what they do with this piece of land. I'm not sure if they're going to farm on it or if they're going to build on it. But yeah, this thing's definitely a fun car. Well worth it, guys. They're pretty cheap too, so for a 4S RC car. Like I said, if you guys watched my unboxing, I got it at JJ Customs. So, all right. Oh. Alright guys, that was a good little test. I'm gonna go Definitely need some shoe goo on the body. We will definitely do that. Like any body though. Alright guys. There you go. HPI Maverick QuantumR Flux. RX Flux. So check it out. You can see right where the body's coming down a little bit right there. But we will we'll throw some shoe goo on that, clean it up, throw some shoe goo on there so it doesn't rip anymore. Some drywall tape, shoe goo. So, alright guys, correspond. Appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.